Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're diving into the world of cheap industrial container homes, a trend that's transforming the way we think about modern, affordable living. These homes are more than just a passing fad. They're a sustainable, cost-effective, and incredibly stylish solution for anyone looking to build a unique and personalized space. At its core, a cheap industrial container home is a residence built by repurposing one or more shipping containers. The term, industrial, refers not only to the container's origins but also to the design aesthetic that often celebrates the raw, utilitarian nature of the building material. We're talking about homes that proudly showcase the corrugated metal siding, exposed steel beams, and a minimalist, no-frills attitude. The cheap aspect comes from the fact that used shipping containers are relatively inexpensive to acquire, and their prefabricated structure significantly reduces both the construction time and the labor costs compared to a traditional home. It's an innovative approach to home building that merges the raw strength of industrial materials with smart, modern living. The benefits of building with shipping containers are truly compelling. First and foremost, the cost is a huge factor. The initial purchase price of the container itself is a fraction of what traditional building materials would cost. This, combined with a much shorter construction timeline, can result in significant savings. Secondly, these homes are incredibly durable. Shipping containers are built to withstand the harshest weather conditions at sea, which makes them highly resistant to wind, fire, and even earthquakes. Third, and perhaps most importantly, they are a sustainable and eco-friendly choice. By repurposing used containers, you are diverting thousands of pounds of steel from landfills and giving them a second life. The modular nature of containers also allows for incredible design flexibility, making it easy to add on or reconfigure your home as your needs change. The key to decorating the exterior of a container home is to embrace its industrial roots while adding elements that make it feel like a cozy, inviting home. A fresh coat of paint is the most impactful change you can make. While a classic matte black or a sleek white is popular, don't be afraid to use bold, vibrant colors to make a statement. To soften the harsh lines of the metal, consider adding natural cladding. Warm wood planks, bamboo, or even a living wall can create a beautiful contrast with the corrugated steel. Don't forget about adding outdoor living space. A well-designed wooden or composite deck with modern railings extends your living area and creates a smooth transition between the interior and the outdoors. Finally, strategic lighting and minimalist landscaping can highlight the home's unique architectural features, making it stand out as a modern and thoughtfully designed space. Now, let's take a look at 10 brilliant examples that showcase the incredible potential of container homes. One, the rustic two-tone retreat. This charming two-story home is a perfect blend of industrial and rustic elements. The lower container is a deep, dark blue, providing a stable foundation, while the upper container is a modern black color that is cantilevered to create a covered porch area below. The corrugated metal of the containers is left exposed, and a wide wooden deck with matching stairs and vertical metal railings adds a warm, inviting feel. The home is surrounded by a green, manicured lawn, creating a cozy and clean aesthetic. 2. The sleek black box. This container home is a masterclass in minimalist design. The entire structure is a single, clean black container, with a large, glass sliding door that takes up the majority of the front facade. A simple, light-colored wooden deck extends from the front, providing a space for a couple of minimalist chairs. The deck is framed by tall, thin trees, and the overall impression is one of a perfect, secluded retreat. 3. The bold red duo. This home makes a dramatic statement with its vibrant red containers. The structure is composed of two containers placed parallel to each other, with a wide, covered deck connecting them in the center. The deck features natural wood planking and a simple, exposed light fixture. The raw, industrial look of the containers is embraced, with a focus on their unique corrugated texture. The home sits on a foundation of gravel, highlighting its industrial origin. 4. The cantilevered modern abode. This home is a fantastic example of a modern, multi-level container design. The structure consists of two containers, one stacked on top of the other, with the top container rotated and cantilevered to create a large overhang. The entire exterior is a uniform, bold red, and the flat roof adds to the clean, contemporary aesthetic. A large wooden deck extends from the front, with a minimalist railing, and the home is surrounded by a green, grassy yard. 5. The rugged black getaway. This minimalist retreat is perfectly at home in its natural, rocky surroundings. The single black container is elevated slightly off the ground on a simple foundation. The front features a wide, glass sliding door that connects the interior to the outdoors, and a small wooden deck with stairs leads down to a natural, rocky ground. The home's dark color contrasts with the light, dry landscape, creating a dramatic and serene living space. 6. The complex multi-level urban home. This design showcases the incredible versatility of containers for more complex, urban projects. The home is a multi-story structure built from several containers arranged in a dynamic, interlocking pattern. The exterior combines clean black cladding and natural wood siding, and there's a large, second-story deck with a simple metal railing. The home is nestled in a neighborhood, with other buildings visible, proving that container homes can be integrated into diverse settings. 7. The industrial gray stack. This home celebrates the raw, industrial aesthetic. It's a two-story structure made from two stacked containers, both painted a uniform gray. The corrugated metal is clearly visible, and the exterior features an exposed metal staircase that connects the two levels. The home has large windows on the upper level and a smaller window on the lower level, and the overall look is one of pure, unadorned industrial design. 8. The clean white and wood porch. This charming container home proves that they don't have to look overtly industrial. The single container is painted a clean, crisp white. The front features a large, covered wooden porch with a simple roof and an exposed light fixture. The wooden deck and the overhang create a cozy, inviting entrance that softens the container's hard lines. The home is set on a grassy lawn with a few trees and bushes nearby. 9. The simple black retreat. This compact container home is a perfect example of a small-scale dwelling. The entire structure is a single black container, with a very narrow, tall window on the front that creates a strong vertical line. A small wooden porch and a set of stairs lead up to the entrance. The home is surrounded by a dense forest, and its dark color allows it to blend seamlessly into the shadows of the trees. 10. The L-shaped industrial dwelling. This home is a striking and spacious design that uses multiple containers to create a unique L-shaped layout. The exterior features a mix of dark and light metal siding, and a large, flat roof area suggests a potential rooftop deck. The home has a mix of large windows and smaller ones, and the overall impression is one of a modern, multi-level dwelling that maximizes living space while embracing its industrial materials. The world of cheap industrial container homes is full of possibilities. These designs are a testament to how creativity and a smart use of materials can lead to beautiful, functional, and affordable living spaces. They're not just about saving money, they're about embracing a new kind of freedom and style. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.